everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you guys can see from the title, today is going to be a more fashion related video, and that is because I'm going to be showing you guys my spring outfits of the week. I absolutely love watching outfit of the days and outfit of the week videos because they are a great fashion inspiration, and I figured I would do one as well. The funny thing is, I actually filmed this last spring. However, I thought I had lost the footage. I literally could not find it anywhere, and the other day when I was cleaning out my external hard drive, I came across all the footage, and rather than just getting rid of the footage, I figured I might as well edit it and put it up for you guys because I did put a lot of work into it. So if I look really different in the video, it's because it was filmed a year ago, but I'm sure you guys will still like it just as much. And if you guys would like to see more fashion related videos here on my channel, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm actually not going to be doing a voiceover for it, but I will have all the information related to the outfits I'm wearing in the description box so you guys can see. So without further ado, let's get started. My spring outfits of the week video. These are just a few of the types of outfits I wear during the spring. If you guys would like to see another end of spring edition or a summer edition, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I can definitely incorporate more fashion related videos here on my channel. And even though it was filmed an entire year ago, I really hope you guys still liked it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button to become a member of our family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!